Okay, so I'm going to show you our single print reversible 3/8 ratchet. I'm assuming you've already removed the support material. It should be pretty easy. You just literally pop it off. And you've broken loose your lever. You may have to use some pliers to break your lever loose, but it's not too difficult. So we're in the middle right now, so I'm going to show you that in the middle it turns freely. And when it turns up, I'm going to show you that it turns clockwise. And it can't turn counterclockwise, so that part's functioning. I'm going to go back to the middle, to the top, show you that it turns counterclockwise, but it doesn't turn clockwise. And there you have it. A single print, reversible 3/8 ratchet. Available at 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com.